I'm Milo McLeod. I'm the former forest archaeologist on the Lolo National Forest. And when I retired, I formed the Friends of Upper Rock Creek, and we operate as a nonprofit under the 501c3 of the National Museum of Forest Service History. And as I say, we have a one-week work project up here every year. This is our seventh year of the Friends of Upper Rock Creek work project, and what we do, we have a lot of former Passport in Time volunteers, as well as other folks who come up and they spend a week doing kind of routine maintenance and sometimes heavy maintenance, such as re-roofing the spring house at Rock Creek Cabin or rebuilding the garage here at Morgan Case. And last year we finished off the interior of the bunkhouse. The Friends works on three historic properties in Upper Rock Creek. Rock Creek Cabin, which is a Forest Service administrative site. The Hogback Homestead, that's been restored as a cabin rental. And then the Morgan Case Homestead. And it was restored and went on the rental program in 2008. And the Friends group does the maintenance work and preservation work that the district doesn't have time and or the ability to complete. And the Friends group keeps these properties in first-rate condition.